here at Ballinacourty Lighthouse. As you can see, I'm not sure if they're even private grounds, but the gates are open and there's the signs, but there's nothing to say it's not, you can't come in or anything like that. So let's have a look around. Let's get a closer look. Seen loads of little wildlife flying along there as well, and that could be an obelisk over there. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's have a look around here and see what the story is. So this is blocked off, obviously. But that's an obelisk down there. The rings here. Look. Wonder what they were used for. Bolted to the wall, they're all along the side there, all the way up along there as well. What do you make of this place? Stunning, huh? I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and like I said, I've just stopped off just to have something to eat and just to take in the views, because it's absolutely beautiful out today. I'll show you down there. You can see again how beautiful it is, and the candy, the seating areas over here, 4 of them, and then just up there is where I came out from the lighthouse, so it's perfect. And come down here then have a bit of lunch or whatever. Really handy spin. Like I said, it's about 30 minutes. Like I said, it's about 30 minutes from Water City, so handy spin. And like I said, it's very easily accessible as well, so happy days. Just gonna have something to drink, something to eat, and then we get back on the road. Try it over here and let's have a look. Look in here. Well, how are you? Should be nice setup here actually. We're a bit early, but we're gonna get something to eat anyway. Menu is decent. Yeah, nice setup. So the engine house, fun man. Definitely worth a visit, I would say. I'll tell you what the food is like in a while.
We're talking again tomorrow.
Yeah.
But, like, Rockshore came in.
Some job, isn't it?
Yeah, like Rockshore came in. Like, we have 80-inch TV screens
Yeah.
up there and there. We have like an outside bar down with all our taps and slushy machines,
Yeah.
cocktails made, all that. Function room holds 100. That's a container, but it's actually 14 toilets. It's turned into 14 toilets.
Jesus.
Tiled everything, you know. It's state art.
Some go, isn't it?
Up here, then, yeah, that's your
Beautiful. And that's the stage, then, sorry.
That's the stage, yeah.
Wow.
You have
The Rockshore really sticks
Rockshore
out, doesn't it? The colour, like.
Yeah, it's really vibrant, really
Yeah.
vibrant. Rockshore came in and done a job in here, and kind of pretty much kind of sponsored the beer garden.
Yeah.
So that's why next year we're going to be moving in with big bands.
Yeah,
Like
because you have their back in there as well.
So this year, look, we've just been putting our own bands on the stage. As I said, we've had some good ones out here, but I think this Saturday night now, Unusual Suspects are going to rock that place.
Yeah, they're class, aren't they?
The weather's supposed to be good too, you know.
Yeah. Deadly.
But you know,
That's
it's
cool.
good spot.
Is that open?
Let's
Have a look at that.
Yeah, yeah. It's not set
I'll
up
stick
for
it. I'll stick it up on my channel.
It's not actually set up for a function or anything like that, but you
Yeah.
get the gist of it. Handy for all occasions, you know.
Cool.
Fully functional bar, you know, access to the toilets on the side.
Class.
You'd sit 96 in here.
Yeah.
At a push, but 70, 80 comfortable.
Wow.
Um,
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, like we've had weddings, funerals, 21st,
whole lot, yeah.
everything in there, you know.
Some setup.
Yeah.
The stage is class, isn't
You
it?
should see it now when
In the night.
nighttime.
Yeah.
All these lights, bulbs light up. And just trying not be closed on the same group. I'm trying for the match tonight. But,
It's lovely the way it's done as well.
But
With the
man,
engine house done over there as well.
But man flag, Waterford flag, you know, Rockshore.
Yeah.
You know, it's a good spot. In here then it's all heated. So if you wanted, you know, if you're a bit chilly in here, you have your heaters.
Yeah.
You know, fully functional bar, like that's all stripped down at the minute. We've our slushy machines for our strawberry daiquiris
Yeah.
and our, you know, it's different stuff.
Yeah, the Rockshore really,
Purely
the colour of it really comes out, doesn't it?
Vibrant, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's perfect for seaside then as well, like, you know.
Yeah, the beach just across the road, you would not believe when we go down to the people that would just funneling across to here.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, because I had the young fella down at oh yeah. That's handy, isn't it? Price list and all that kind of stuff as well, like.
Look, people know what they're getting in for.
Yeah.
Anyway, look, enjoy your tea.
I will. Thanks, Matthew, for the tour, boy. That was cool. Looks delicious, look at that. Yum. So that's it. The food is absolutely lovely. Got a chili beef wrap with chips and salad. Really nice. Well priced as well. So go in and give them a shout and check it out. And Matthew's there. Matthew will look after you and the staff as well. Sound out. So that's it for me for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give it a big like and subscribe as well. So thanks very much for watching. Until the next video, they shall revel out.